It is April 3rd, clip 2. I don't know, 5:15, 5:20 a.m. down in the floodplain of the Mississippi River Valley with my two buddies, my long-coated Shepherd Lobo and my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. They're standing here looking at some ducks across the water there. Come along. It's a beautiful morning, about 25 degrees or so. Gotten several inches of new snow again. As you can see, it's still coming down. Those who follow my channel regularly know that this is some of my favorite weather to hike in when it's snowing or raining. I just like the energy in the air with all the precipitation. Plus, the snow warms my Viking blood. Come on. That's just them playing. They're very vocal. You can see they're having a good time. Just beautiful morning. Right here's the mighty Mississippi. I'm currently on the Minneapolis side of the river. At this location at the river over there is St. Paul, Minnesota, of course. River is very high today. With all the snow and that, I'm sure over the last few days has contributed to that. You can see 25 degrees, they don't mind being in the water. True Minnesota dogs. They go in the water when it's much colder than this. Again, this section here is not part of the river. This is the floodplain off of the river. Often you can, at times of the year, walk across here. I have videos doing that. I've got over 800 videos on the channel. I've got videos of everything. I'm sure he appreciated that, Kurgan. Wise. Who stuck a coin in you this morning, Kurgan? Lobo playing Labrador Retriever going after the ducks. Isn't he handsome? When you see me crouch down like that with my dog, it's usually to relieve some sciatica. The dents and dings you pick up as an old paratrooper. Blue Cord Brotherhood. Hooah. Hey, come on. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to step on your toe. For those who may be new to my channel, who wonder about the name, 1st 508th Airborne. I was an infantry paratrooper with the 1st 508th 82nd Airborne, Alpha Company Mountain Gators. That's where the channel name comes from. I also served with 5th, the 87th of 10th Mountain. I was in the 3rd U.S. Infantry President's Honor Guard, and then spent some time as a DRT, Deep Recon Scout at Fort Irwin NTC as part of the Op 4, where we used to train troops to fight in a Middle Eastern, Afghanistan type environment. That's gonna break on you. Get across here without getting too muddy. The other way. Well, one spot down. Good boy. Good boy. Absolutely beautiful morning. Well, I think I'm going to end clip 2 here and start a clip 3. I want to say like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below if you liked it a lot. And you'll get email notifications when my new videos come out. That's all, folks. From me and the crew. Bye.